Hey, I'm Alex and I created this app and I already taught many lessons with it and also learned 2 languages through it. The main idea is giving students an easy way to remember what they learn during each lesson. Because if they can learn 40 phrases every lesson, then after just 10 weeks they will know 400 phrases. And they can say things with confidence that what they say is correct, and they can start combining things as well. So what does it look like? Download the app and select your language. It works for like 38 languages. You just confirm it, and then when you record a phrase, you instantly get it in text with a translation. Like this, for example. Hallo, das ist ein neuer Satz. Das ist ein neuer Satz. You can check it and correct it if necessary. And the translate buttons here, they can help you make this a little bit more efficient also. This way you can very smoothly and within seconds create phrases on your phone during the lesson or afterwards. But how do you get these phrases to your students afterwards if they're not in the same room as you are? Now you can also share sets of phrases. So first you create an account and then you can select the phrases that you want to upload. So select them, give them a title, and then when you press share, you will upload this. So this could be like lesson video share. Now these phrases are being uploaded to the cloud, and at the end you will receive a link that you can share with your students. And they just they create an account, they can tap unlock, and then they can download the phrases from the cloud to their device and start practicing them. By the way, your voice and content is private. Only people that know the exact link can access it. Also, we will never touch your voice data because we're really trying to be a good company here, and your voice is very private, so we respect that. Students need to create an account, and then with the phrases on their phone, they can download them and they can practice them here. So when you have phrases on your phone, for example, here there are 53 phrases that are right now available. Maybe there's more phrases, like 80 phrases, but 52 need practice right now. And after you've practiced them, they will come back after a certain time. So we optimize the time for every single phrase, that after like 1 day they will see it again, and then after 2 days they will see it again. So tell your students to come back often and bring this number down to 0 available phrases before the next lesson. And that way they will really make sure that every phrase gets into their long-term memory as quickly as possible. Now they can practice listening, they can practice pronunciation, when they press practice, when they tap practice, they select 12 phrases and you try to get them to 0. Yeah, that's it. Record phrases for students within seconds during the lesson or afterwards. Let them practice with your voice and tone and intonation, and help them build a personalized and correct vocabulary. So try it out, and I hope it will be useful for you and your students.